Happy New Year! So what's up guys, this is Chris and I'm watching Krista's reaction. So today I'm back again in my room and I'm back again with a video of Bandmate, that is Domination. So yeah, I was really excited about the Bandmate. It's just so happened that I don't know what to say about them in the first video because they had just a very a contrasting image, you would say, because I was expecting a little cheesy rock song, but they actually gave a spectacular performance. But yeah, and many people were complaining why I said about the MV. So what I said in my previous video, if you want to check my other reaction of Bandmate, it's here, go to it. It's super awesome, I liked it, you will guys enjoy it actually. So yeah, there's a many factors which were actually little bit confused me. See, I have my sense of aesthetics when I go towards a video, so I thought maybe it can improve a lot, and I got to know that's like their first video. I didn't know that there's the debut me. So I was expecting a lot of things because I thought they were at a 2 to 3 year experience group that time, so that they were that good. So I was expecting a little more heavy paced MV, but I understand the budget and overall, because they are new to market, it's not possible. So yeah, so I'm actually excited because it's like we never you know what come across this kind of groups a lot. There are groups like that, but they are so different. So I really like reacting to this kind of group somehow. I have a very weird taste. That's why I'm doing a reaction channel, I guess. I just love new things. So yeah, so let's get on with the reaction. As always, you guys know the drill, right? First, you have to like this video, you have to subscribe, and then you have to check out my Patreon page after checking out this video. So let's get on with the reaction. Three, two, one. Mm, mm, it's cute. As always, I was saying in a previous video also, I have to stop it between. I don't want to, but it's also helped me to clear out my message which I was saying regarding to a video. Okay, I didn't know this was of a tour MV, so I was expecting a more different kind of music video, but I really like this kind of music video because it's there, live. It's like how lively they are on the stage. We got to know them through these videos, so I'm really excited for that. And I think the vocalist and the drummer was a favorite part of mine in the previous video. So let's see who will grasp my attention this time. As always, they have a very good vocal piece, and this time I think the guitar is actually taking my attention because it's so beat. The beat was so good. It's like I'm just dabbing my head right now. It's looking really weird in the camera, but I'm just dabbing my dabbing my head. But I think the vocal is so strong, and for a girl, I think her voice is also kind of not that pitched, but it's have this roughness you love in a song. So I'm really loving that. Hello, hello, hello. Their dresses always amaze me. I don't know. I have this, sense. I don't know. I makes this like a song I think more lovely. They are actually kind of overshadowing the cliche thing you see now when you get up a dress in a maid usually it's very cliche, it's very overly sweet concept, but they are changing it a very normalizing it, I guess. That's a good point. They are actually normalizing the whole concept of it. Oh my god, they had English subs! I want to sing English subs. I kind of missed my song. I wanted a whole song with English subs. Oh my god. Shibu Kokai. Na, 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 na. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Now I'm getting the meaning of the song. The song is actually really good. I because I'm not a Japanese, so I don't understand most of the Japanese word they are saying. But when you like when I read the like English subs, so I get the lyrics meaning of the lyrics. It's so cool. It's a damn cool song. This time the guitar is rocking. Yeah, I'm loving it how chill out they are. Kind of, they are so chill. They feel like a very experienced group, over like 20 years group you see nowadays. But it's just so awesome to see the like girls empowering themselves and being so themselves on the stage. It's very good. It's very good. Wow. Ah, drums. I love this room. No. Damn. No, 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 no. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. I was saying like in the I think some minutes ago that the like guitar was taking away my attention. No, it's the drum. I just fell in love with the drums again. She is so good. Love. Arigato. overall, oh my god, it's the review time. Oh yeah, I just really enjoy the performance, as you can see already in the video. It's just like they are so natural, and I think they've had like a very smart move. They actually kept the chorus part very easy English word, so you kind of get on the rhythm yourself, right? And you kind of enjoyed it more. So I think this is what a very good move from them. I just love the overall the experience and how lively what the song was. The obviously the meanings were like meaning of the lyrics was really good, very good actually. But it's just that you kind of like the rhythm more than anything. It's because it's so fun, it's so lively. You get kind of get their energy overall. I think this is a group has a very harmonious. I think they are not stiff. Many girl groups and many boy groups also are so stiff on the stage, because I follow a lot of J-pop, K-pop, every kind of music in there in the world. I follow them. So I just don't. I know because I've seen many bad performances also and very good performances also. So I just get the feeling that they are very comfortable with the whole stage performance they are like going on with. So it's really good to see that. I really enjoy that kind of stuff because I just love to like do a little moves in between my reaction. I just like to speak a lot. Ah, so yeah. So I hope you guys liked it. If someone want to translate this video, please do comment in the like comment section, because I think I don't know if all people are comfortable with English. I just don't know about that. So if somebody wants to like translate into Japanese only in English also, please do DM me. So yeah, and do check out my stories, guys. I'll be uploading a lot of stuff on my stories, and you will get the chances. The for the requested video you have like want to react me to, it will be there. It might be there. I might see the comment. I was like, yeah, I have to do that video because this person requested it to me. So yeah. So happy New Year, guys. I hope you guys have a really prosperous and a very good New Year. So hope you guys. Bye bye.